Hello, it's Kerry Fitzgibbon here from Facebook Messenger Marketing for Profit, and today's instructional video is about hooking up your chatbot to your autoresponder so that you can get email subscribers. So it's super cool that you are building up subscribers in your chatbot. Hopefully you're using ManyChat, that's what I've been teaching. It's really cool because we know the open rate's really high, but it is really important to build your own list off any other app as well. So that's why we want to build a database outside of Facebook, outside of Messenger, outside of ManyChat, and because then you own the list. So what I'm going to show you today is how you can get people from ManyChat, from Messenger Marketing, and with one click subscribe to your email list as well. So there are a couple of things that we're going to need, a couple of tools that we're going to need to be able to do this. So obviously we need a Facebook page. We also need a chatbot app. I will be using ManyChat in this instructional video, and we need a third-party integration tool so that we can integrate our ManyChat app with our autoresponder. So I use one called Zapier. So I'll be showing you how to do it inside Zapier, and also you're going to need an autoresponder as well. So I'm going to be using Aweber for this demonstration. So let's jump straight over to ManyChat. Right, so we're inside ManyChat now, and I'm inside a sequence. Now, if you don't know how to set up a sequence right now, then I suggest you go back to Training 4 in the Facebook Messenger Marketing for Profit program, where I show you exactly how to set up one of these sequences. But I'm going to assume at this stage that you already know how to set one up, because that's what I have right here, and if you've been through the training. Now, in this, so this is my Marathon Girl Guide to Running a Marathon, so I'm going to get people to opt in for this through a Facebook ad and growth tool into ManyChat, and this is the sequence that they get after they've opted in. Now, at the same time here, they can actually download this report straight from Messenger. But what I want to do is I want to have a two-step process here so that they can either do it in Messenger or I can get them to join my database. So here's how we can do it. So we want to use a user input here, and I've got a message set up here. Would you like me to send you the guide in an email as well? If so, is this the best email address? So I use a user's input, and I'm going to be the reply type as the email address. So what happens here is Facebook pre-populates the email address they use to sign into Facebook. If this is incorrect, then they can enter the correct email address. Now, the next step from here, it is important to make sure that we tag everything. So that's something that you should be doing when you're doing your messenger marketing and building out bots and sequences inside ManyChat. But this is especially important for the next step, which is hooking everything up through the third-party tool Zapier. So I'm going to go down to Perform Action here, click on that, and the action, if we go over here, is going to be to tag. So we're going to add a tag. The tag I've set up is MGG Sequence Email Guide. Try and tag things so that you know what they are, and if anyone else in the team is coming on board, that they know exactly what the tag is as well. So we tag that so that when someone inputs their email address, they get tagged automatically with this tag. So now we're going to publish that, and we're going to step on over to Zapier. So we're inside Zapier right now. I'm going to take you back to the dashboard. Now, if you haven't got Zapier, you need to go to zapier.com and you can sign up. It is free initially, but if you want some of the integrations that I suggest that you use, you'll probably want to pay to go up to the pro version, which is what I am. I think it's around about $20 a month as of this recording. Don't quote me on that one. Just go in and check it out for yourself. So what we're going to do is we're going to make a zap. So we're going to click on Make a Zap, and we're going to integrate ManyChat with autoresponder. So there are all sorts of different autoresponders in here that you can integrate with. I'm just going to show you the process with Aweber. So we're going to click on ManyChat. Now, you'll probably need to be signed into ManyChat or signed into Facebook so that it can go out and grab the right ManyChat for you. Because if you haven't got this set up, you need to actually go on and set it up. So we're going to set it up so that when a new tagged user, so when someone clicks on that input, they get tagged that tag, and that's what we want to trigger the automation for it to go into our list in our autoresponder. So new tag user, save and continue. The next step is to set up and integrate with your ManyChat bot. So I'm just going to grab one of these ones and test that it's all okay. It is successful. Save and continue. Now this is where the tag is important. So we're going to go in here and find the tag. So Zapier goes out and chats with ManyChat and finds the tag for me. So this is the one here. Now you want to make sure that you have someone opted into the sequence for this to work. So I suggest that if you have set up a sequence that you actually I'll go back into here, that you actually go and preview it and opt in yourself, because it does need a subscriber in the sequence or with the tag, a subscriber with the tag, for this to be able to work properly. So let's continue. And continue. Now this is where we've got to make sure that someone is required to have that tag. I do, so I'm going to fetch and continue. Now that we have the ManyChat side of things all set up and running, we need to now jump onto where we want those people to go. So the action after the tag is triggered. So in this instance, I'm using Aweber. And I want to create a subscriber every single time it zaps across. So we're going to go save and continue. I'm just going to go into my Aweber account, make sure that works, that's successful, and save and continue again. Rightio, now it's gone out, it will go out and fetch my Aweber. Here we go. And then we've got to find the list. So here's the list right here. Rightio, so we need to go and put the email in here. It does require, I would suggest you go into your autoresponder and turn off the double opt-in if this is possible. So what a double opt-in is when someone comes onto your list, they get sent an email from your autoresponder that says, do you confirm that you want emails from this person? They have to confirm that to actually be subscribed. We want to switch that off so that they are subscribed as soon as they opt in and they don't get that email requiring them to double opt in, is what we call it. So we need an email here. So we go down, get the email, we've got the name, and we can tag it as well. And continue. Let's send a test. And the test subscriber was sent there. And finish. Name the zap. Marathon Girl Guide, ManyChat to Aweber, and turn the zap on. And that's exactly how you set up your ManyChat to hook in with your autoresponder so that you can build your email list at the same time. So now let's test the whole process and see how it works. We're going to go into preview. This opens up in Messenger. Go. Click free guide. Here's the guide here. Would you like to send it to my email? Is this your best email address? Yes, it is. I put in a confirmation message. Great, it's winging its way to you right now. And let's go and check over in Aweber. Here it is here. It worked like magic. So now it's your turn. If you have any issues, make sure that you let me know inside the group. Thank you.